I don't want to cook me cushion. I want to hook me up. Welcome on peeps, you don't know your boy JNL and welcome to our next episode of The Questions, and this is episode 10 peeps. And watch you know, right now we're there in a Maypen town, as you can see. Yeah, for all who know Maypen, as you can see. Yeah. So watch you know peeps, without further ado, we are kick it off right now. Which part we there? Maypen, we're there Maypen. So watch you know peeps, we're gone. Alright, my boss, first thing I do, just give me a name.
Michael.
Alberto Parnell.
Mark. Rajel Russell. Dimovic.
Omarian. Sajay. I know more big up my YouTube page at Sajay Official. Yeah man, can I do like gaming videos and PUBG Mobile.
Greetings. Kenny is the chosen, you see me?
Javon.
Crazy Mice. Crazy Mice.
Where you get the name then?
From Jamaica, man. Born and grew up Jamaica, I get the name, man. You have the name the 40 a year.
Donaldson.
Yes, so you run the jerk thing, remember from last time, man? Yeah, no?
Yeah, man, I'm a run the jerk business, man. My business, my F&K, season to the bone.
Yeah.
I do jerk sauce and pepper sauce.
Yeah.
And the pepper sauce can season even meat, it's seasonal. And it is it fight the anti-cancerous, the pepper sauce itself. Also, the jerk sauce is a season where you don't have to use nothing and it's all natural product.
You know, say on JTV do Instagram, and also on JTV for Instagram, on JTV YouTube. When I say big up FBI, Bucket Arena, CSI, you don't know anything go. Match up.
My name is Bam Bam, you know. You want a real name? Real, a nickname that one day, you want the original? A nickname Budman. Alright.
My name is Dylan Cameron. I would like to give a big shout out to TCFW. It stands for Too Crazy for Words, right? You see, once you got too crazy for words, at TCFW. TCFW.
Alex.
Dominic Thompson.
Siva.
Hakim, what they call me Nico.
Hey, man.
What about this try the world I speak? Cause if I touch, but don't touch. Me pen put it on the map every time, everywhere. See me here now.
Boy, if you don't get...
What building has the most stories?
In Jamaica.
Anyway.
The bank. Bank.
Boy, I mean, you know. You China?
That's something I know though.
What building has the most stories?
What building? No.
One day, no?
What building has the most stories? Have the most stories? Storage.
Check them first, my boy.
No.
No.
Empire State Building.
Skyscraper.
What building have the most stories? The most they call it high store building.
Could you repeat?
What building has the most stories?
More stories? But I'm over 7-5 story.
What building have most stories?
Has the most stories?
But that's a courthouse here.
What building have the most stories? We are the hill, you know. The mountain.
What building has the most stories? Building has the most stories. I mean most stories.
What building has the most stories, man?
Stories? No man. What building has the most stories?
What building has the most stories?
That's a clock in there. Me pen clock in a chop.
And the hard for Rastafari now. Yeah man, what building has the most stories? Stories. What building have the most stories? Building.
I don't want to cook me cushion. I want to hook me up. I want to hook me up.
What building has the most stories?
Oh, what building have the most storage? Man. Digicel. A Digicel man can have a whole part of space, man, a whole part of chip and sitting in it, man.
That's a library.
Okay, I'm gonna get the answer.
Yeah.
A library, man.
If I go answer.
Alright, ready for the next one?
Yeah, give me the next one.
Alright, ready for the next one? I can only live, right, where there's light, but die if light shine on me. What am I?
It's a mankind.
I can only live, right, where there's light, but die if light shine on me. What am I?
A bulb.
Natural blade. Can only live where there is light, but I die if light shine on me. You don't know that. You don't know that one, daddy. You don't know that one, there.
Once light shine. Yeah, well, light shine upon and die. Once light shine upon me, I die. Once light.
I only live where there's light.
So that
Right?
is at the dark?
Eh?
That at the dark? No, because the dark still can't die.
I can only live, right, where there's light, but die once light shine on me. What am I?
Yeah. Pato.
My moon? Moon?
I can only live when there is light.
Where there's light.
And if light shine upon me, I'm dead. Water.
No. Me no know.
Check him.
Me no know. Me no know.
Me no know the one there now.
No shadow.
A true in a shadow, you know? Yeah, man, a shadow for true.
Water, you say what I mean?
A mistake, a shadow. A shadow, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
You can only live when light.
I can only live where there's light, but die if light shine on me. What am I?
Shadow.
Shadow. I don't move a big.
Shadow. Oh, shadow.
I have keys, but no lock. Space, but no room. You can enter, but you can't go inside. What am I?
A spirit.
No man, repeat that one, man. That one seem long.
I have keys, but no lock. Space, but no room. You can enter, but you can't go inside. What am I?
No, something.
I don't understand man, so. Me call one that. You call one that.
That's the match.
I'm lock. Lock.
Sit out the one.
Whoa, big judge. I password me say still, you know.
Daddy. Keys, but no lock. Daddy. I don't know, yeah. I don't go grow and tell you. I don't
You
know.
don't know.
No, sir, you don't know.
Key, lock, space. Key, lock, and space. Brain.
Keys with no lock, space with no room. Keys with no lock, space with no room. No lock, no room. Yo, I know I can't get that. I try medz.
Mine. Your mine.
What?
I have keys but no lock. Space but no room.
Yeah. You can enter, but you can't go inside. What am I?
Keyboard.
It's a keys. Me that think about keyboard, but I no keyboard. Enter, but can't go inside. I must computer, man. The keyboard of a computer. Yes, man.
So
computer keyboard.
keyboard.
Alright, a keyboard, man. A keyboard.
I have keys, but no lock. Space, but no room. You can enter, but I can't go inside. What am I?
Sound like one computer in a sense. Or one piano. Piano have keys. Space. Just sound like one keyboard, I swear. Keyboard,
I have key, but no lock. Right? Space, but no room. You can enter, but you can't go inside. What am I?
A breeze. Breeze.
Fire go answer. Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 10. And you don't know in a pen. So watching the peeps, I mash up a nice. Sorry, mommy. Sorry, yeah, mommy. I mash up orange right now. And you don't know how far we have to go. So I'm going to just cut out right now. Please remember, big up yourself in the general.
Yeah, big up everyone in a Clarion and Jamaica and the world.
Yeah, man, big up everybody. So watch out the peeps, make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. And you subscribe, just hit the notification bell. And you don't know, follow me on Instagram, JNLofficial_1. Follow Ubuntu, BUHN_reaction. And I'm out.
New song, you know, we are promoting, you know. You see, all the man they want to do, because if you not move up your vein, you're dead, you know. So we say, go on and do, move up your vein, move up your vein. 2020 are the brand new year. Move up your vein, move up your vein. A time for make money and go bust champagne. Move up your vein, move up your vein. 2020 are the brand new year. Move up your vein, move up your vein. A time to make money and in the kitchen, me a cook me up and move up me vein. Coolers me a wash me up and move up me vein. Me pants me a press me up and move up me vein. Girl me up and move up me vein. Money me a counter and move up me vein. Pay me a fly me up and move up me vein. Fly touch a Switzerland and Italian. So me tell the youth them say they move up them. That one and you move up. Yes man, I know.